That did not sound good. So today we'll be unboxing the PK-08 Mini Tripod from Ulanzi for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Alright, so inside is a bunch of positioning screws and some tools to attach it and loosen it. And then here is the mini tripod. Here it is in comparison to the tripod that comes in the creator kit. You can see it's much smaller. It just uses a 1/4-inch screw, so you can just plug it into the adapter. You can use the included tool to adjust and tighten it, as you can see. So then it's nice and tight. It does come with some location pins in case how you're mounting it has that available and you want to use that. I probably will not be using it. So there you go, that is it attached to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now let's test it a little bit to see how sturdy it is. The legs open and spread it's kind of spring loaded and just open and close. So you just place it down and the legs will splay out and in places like that. We'll create a little wind with this tray to see if it falls over. Okay, pretty stable. We'll try bumping the table a little bit and see if it falls over. This is a counter, so that's going to be a little bit too stable. Now we'll put it on the tray and we'll bump the tray a little bit and see if it falls over. Oh, there you go. So my end conclusion is that this is a pretty nice little tripod, but you want to make sure you're only using on a very, very stable surface. I'm going to be using this as my daily driver tripod, as it's just so small and so convenient to carry around. All right, yeah, so you can get this on ulanzi.com. It's $11.69 US right now. Use my affiliate link below to help the channel out. So it's not a bad little purchase. I definitely recommend it. Now check out this other must-have accessory for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3.